Hi guys, welcome to the video. It seems I have some kind of bug, joking of course, but what you're looking at is what you used to look at. But if we type neofetch in the system, then you know this is not really what I'm used to do. So this is Ubuntu 24.04, and you've seen maybe a few videos already that I've was building chat.wm on Ubuntu, and yes, it's feasible. Basically, the test here says I can just abandon Arch and still have my beloved chat.wm. All the packages I need work. Control F, VirtualBox works as well. And just to test it out, I took one of the old ISOs. The other one of January, so basically the one from December, right? It's always a little bit delay. And that's the ArcoLinuXL from December 27. And let's make an educational tutorial. We're gonna need to update a lot of things, right? So update is something we type. Let's see. We're gonna change some names on our end as well. So yes, yes, yes. So we started with ArcoNet. So we changed from this version to that version. And the rest is not from us. So all 3 lines are from us, and naming convention basically. But here as well, so this is all Arch, enter, 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 Ruby. So 9 months worth of updates. That's what we're trying to do in this video, and see how we, again, get rid of this, for example. So that's one of the questions somebody asks, so that's cool that we have this. So what you need to do is remove sudo, sudo remove anything that conflicts. It's always the same thing, remove. I already forgot how to do it. Remove ArcoNet, my god. And then let's see, well, there they are, ArcoNet. So it's something I should do, right? ArcoLinux git is probably something I need to do. Sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux not anymore, so ArcoNet XFC, that's the one you need. Basically it's the same thing, but yeah, we do need something else. ArcoNet XFCE. Click. Yeah, that's the one. Let's see if we can update again. So that's the solution, remove and add, and yes, indeed. So there is something in the package build that I can improve, for sure. Easy way probably is just remove the package, as it's no longer used anyway. That's probably best. So let's wait for everything to update. Maybe at the top we can have a look. So in 9 months time, this is ours. That's only from us, and all the rest is Arch. Long list of 9 months of updates. Let's see what happens, right? And is there something that I can teach? Okay, time to just wait and pause the video. And here comes the first thing to learn, right? Keys, always the keys. Control C, forget about. You're probably gonna prompt for a lot of other keys. So sudo pacman -s, and then Y update, but it's already updated. So archlinux-keyring. That's the one that needs to come, because 2023 December, jumping 7 months ahead. Sure. Let's go again. Enter, 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 till we don't see anything anymore. Enter, 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 just keep pressing enter and enter. 6.5 gigabytes. So right, only 537 megabyte more as upgrade size. Let's go for pause and see if everything works. Maybe we can include a little bit of work that I've done lately on this particular thing here. So ArcoLinux Nemesis, that's where you can find the Ubuntu Chat WM in personal settings. If you launch it, well, this one all-in-one is just gonna launch whatever it needs. Minstick is there as well. I've built it from the GitHub from Linux Mint, and so much more like a VirtualBox template. Enfin, the end result is I got a Ubuntu with everything I need to have, and avant la musique, as they say. So even here, I went to Gitkraken. Gitahead is not available, but why not just open with Gitkraken? And then I see exactly the same, more or less, as with Gitahead or Gitfind or something like that. Yeah, jolly little squid, super F. And you can see the last thing I've done is scrot, and I add scrot to the list. So you see all the changes I've made, and that's fine, right? It's okay. Anything that can be done, VirtualBox here, Lollipop, Bubata, Vivaldi, GIMP and Inkscape, lots of things, wrong file, and forgotten S, etc, right? So I've been pushing to the internet for the last 2 hours, I guess, and you can have a look at what we've done so far via GitHub. You can see it. So this is feeling quite comfortable, basically. This is my workflow on ArcoLinux on my ISO builder. Now it's on Ubuntu, doesn't matter, not really. It's ChatWM, it has all the applications I like. Firefox, GIMP, Vivaldi, Chromium. Google Chrome, I don't think we have actually Google Chrome. Sudo apt, I went to fish, sudo apt install, because this helps. For instance, this one helps, because I don't know the commands, and now I know, right? Clean and okay, dist upgrade and download and purge and reinstall and upgrade. I know exactly what it does, more or less, right? Short sentence, but okay, I can try something. So fish is helpful. So apt install and then Google something. Woo! A lot of Google things, Google Test, Googler, Google Android, build tools, quite a few tools. So look at that. A lot of Android things that we can get. That's page down I'm doing now. Don't see Chrome, but I don't know, right? Not that I need it, right? Chromium. But that's already installed. Some of the things have been installed with snap, others have been installed with just sudo apt install. So matters, well, if you don't find it, then you try sudo snap install, and Gitkraken is here, right? So do it like this, and find out what's the name, and then you can install it. So yeah, it has been a good experience, basically. And we should reboot. So reboot. So what I did not do, of course, have a look what's different in the Bash RC, what's different in ZSH and Fish, what's different in etsyscale. Doesn't matter. Can I update? Because I want just to debunk the myth that you have to update always every day, otherwise Arch will break. Bullshit, right? 9 months ago, and now we have a fully working system. As you see, remember the time when Alacrity had a new way of, well, basically writing away this his settings, YML, and they started to use TOML. Everything is okay. The only thing you need to do is scal, right? Scal, yes, please. And everything is written over. Super X, log out, log back in. Everything is applied. Control T, and there we have that one should go by. So here's Alacrity without any error. Alt N. Give me an older wallpaper, please. It seems we had the blank back in the days. Yeah, there's nothing more basically to tell. Everything is well, yeah, there's one thing in the binary. There's this stay rolling thing. So from here to here, did we change something, right? Nothing to do, done. Nothing to do, done. Nothing to do, done. Nothing to do, done. Basically, we try to stay rolling and follow the ISO setup. So at some point in time, we remove this one, Quantum Qt5 Git, and we use Quantum Qt5, which is better for us. So this one we should run, and then we are nothing to do, or just one basically switch between Quantum and Quantum. So sudo pacman -arc quantum. That's the one we have. I would just remove everything and Quantum this one as well. Bye. And sudo pacman -s quantum. Voila, Qt5. That's the one. And everything is okay again. And with Quantum Qt5 comes Quantum, and everything is jolly good. All right. Is this difficult? 9 months time of updates. Don't think this was difficult. The only thing maybe that was different was a bit strange. ArcoNet is now the name for XFCE, and that's it. There's a nemesis. Don't use a nemesis. That's for us. That's for testing. So don't use this guy. We play around with it, see if the settings are okay. Then if they're okay, they move to the other one, and then you get it. All right, it's for me. Voila, debunked again. In 12 minutes time, we have updated our system. Everything is fine. Cheers.